So, you want to start a car dealership in Connecticut? Maybe you've been flipping cars on Facebook Marketplace. Maybe you're tired of making money for someone else. Or maybe you've always dreamed of owning your own dealership. Well, before you sell your first vehicle, Connecticut says you need one thing: a motor vehicle dealer license. The good news? Getting licensed is actually much easier than most people think, if you know the steps. We'll also talk about one of the biggest parts of the application, the $60,000 dealer bond, and why you probably won't pay anywhere near $60,000. And if you need any of the resources we mention, including your dealer bond or garage liability insurance, all of the links are in the description and our bio. Before filling out any paperwork, you need to determine which Connecticut license fits your business. If your goal is buying and selling vehicles to the public, you're most likely applying for either a new or used motor vehicle dealer license. Next, you'll need a real business location, and no, your driveway doesn't count. Before your license is approved, the Connecticut DMV will inspect your dealership to make sure everything complies with state regulations. Don't sign a long lease until you've verified the property can actually be licensed as a dealership. This is the step that confuses almost everyone: the Connecticut dealer bond. Here's what most people misunderstand. You do not write a check for $60,000. The bond protects the public, not your dealership. It guarantees you'll follow Connecticut dealer laws and operate honestly. So most dealers pay just a small percentage of the bond amount each year. At All American Bonds and Insurance, we specialize in Connecticut dealer bonds. Once your bond is taken care of, it's time for insurance. Liability insurance is specifically designed for dealerships. It protects your business during test drives, vehicle sales, customer injuries, and damage involving dealership operations. It's one of those things you don't want to shop based only on price. You want coverage that's actually designed for dealerships. That's exactly what our team at All American Bonds and Insurance specializes in. Now comes the paperwork. Triple check every business name. Your LLC, bond, insurance, and DMV application all need to match exactly. One typo can delay your approval. Next, you'll submit your application fees. The exact fees vary depending on your license type and the number of dealer plates you request. Now comes the final hurdle, the DMV inspection. If everything looks good, congratulations, you're almost done. Once the inspection is approved, Connecticut issues your dealer license and dealer plates. Now you can legally buy, sell, and title vehicles in Connecticut. Let's do one quick recap. To get your Connecticut dealer license, you'll need to choose the correct license type, secure a compliant business location, obtain your $60,000 dealer bond, purchase continuous liability insurance, complete Form K-7, submit your documents and fees, pass your DMV inspection, and that's it. If you haven't gotten your Connecticut dealer bond or your garage liability insurance yet, let the dealer licensing experts at All American Bonds and Insurance help. We work with dealers every single day and can usually get your bond and insurance approved much faster than going it alone. The links to every resource we mentioned, including dealer bond quotes, garage liability insurance quotes, and licensing information, are all in the description and our bio. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what state you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, good luck with your new dealership, and we'll see you in the next video.